New at 11, there she is, Miss America. Then tonight she is right here in Richmond as part of her Southern Virginia road trip. The newly crowned queen paid a visit to a group of girls at Mad Science of Central Virginia, and I was invited to watch as she showed them how science and royalty can truly go hand in hand.
3, 2, 1.
There's a lot you can do with dry ice.
Whoa!
It's pretty cool to watch in science experiments like this one.
Let's do another one.
Hands-on experiments are definitely fun.
Don't try this at home.
But for these young ladies, what's even more fun is that their science teacher wears a lab coat, goggles, and a crown. And she answers to the title, Miss America. Camille Schreier, who is the former Miss Virginia, dropped in on these young science lovers at Mad Science of Central Virginia. She holds degrees in biochemistry and systems biology, so she was certainly in her element while making the ice sing.
And the gas is making noise.
And creating clouds in a bucket.
Isn't that really cool? It's something that I always loved my entire life, and I was really fortunate to be a little girl who had people around me that encouraged my love of science.
So in her new role as Miss America, she is providing the same encouragement given to her.
Give it a second.
To girls all over the nation, many of whom watched her on television as she chose to do a science experiment as her talent. Then went on to capture the coveted crown.
I think that a lot of people have talents that we don't necessarily see as a performing talent. And so what I'm doing is showing that communication is a talent, education is a talent, and that science can be entertaining.
And based on these reactions to Schreier's experiments with dry ice, these young scientists agree.
It's just so much you can keep learning, and even if it's unanswered, it's just fun to learn about.
It's really cool to know all the formulas and the chemicals and how when you put it together it becomes something big.
Whether or not you want to be a scientist or whatever career path that you want to take, it's so important to be true to who you are. And so my real overwhelming message is of authenticity, to find your passions and do them on purpose, and be always true to the talents that you do have.
Camille is in the process of obtaining her Doctor of Pharmacy degree from VCU. She is scheduled to stop by the school tomorrow to speak on medication safety and abuse prevention.